Good morning guys, welcome back to the channel, welcome to another video. Today is such an incredible day because it is the start of some incredible stuff for the Evo. As you guys know, a few videos ago when I was talking about the vinyl wrap on my car, I told you guys I am picking up a ETS kit. So it's ETS full English racing, or I think it's, wait, that's Extreme Turbo Systems, never mind, my bad. ETS is Extreme Turbo Systems. Pick up their whole turbo kit with a Precision 6266 ball bearing turbo for the Evo. Getting a 4-inch intake, a 3.5-inch MAF housing, I believe it's called. So literally going all out with this turbo kit. I know the 6266 is not the biggest turbo you can buy, but it's gonna be perfect for the Evo. So as you guys know, the Evo already has a pretty built motor. It's got CP pistons, mainly beam rods, ERP studs everywhere. The only thing I didn't do that I kind of regret not doing is cams. But I talked to my old tuner, who is Chet Rickerman. He said I'll easily get 500 horsepower with factory cams, and should be a lot better as a daily driver with just factory cams. So in the future, if I ever wanted to turn it up more, I'd have to do cams in it, and then just probably like bigger injectors. For now, what I'm planning on doing is FIC 1100 injectors, which the seller is actually including. I'm buying all this stuff used, guys. As you guys know, I always try to get everything used for a good deal, and I'm getting a screaming deal on this. So I'm getting FIC 1100 injectors, which FIC is Fuel Injector Clinic. They are a pretty good brand. And then I'm going to do a Walbro 450 fuel pump. I'm going to probably go new there, and then I just need to source some sort of from my intercooler, bigger intercooler core. So I'm very happy, guys. I'll tell you exactly how much I'm paying for everything. I'm paying $3,000 for a full ETS kit with the Precision 6266 turbo and the injectors. So $3,000 is an insanely good deal and that includes the intake and the MAF housing, because all that new spec'd out on ETS's website is $5,000, and then the injectors are about $800 or $900 as well. So I'm getting half off. He's got 3,000 miles on all the parts. He picked up a Toyota Supra, which I'm very jealous of. Wish I could afford that right now, but I can't. So that is why he is selling all this stuff.
Hey, what's up, man? You called?
Yeah, so I got a problem. I was gonna go to the bank today, but they're closed today and tomorrow. They don't open until Monday. Yeah, the only other option I'm thinking of is when you get here, I can just PayPal you as a gift, so there's no fee or anything.
Something like that, yeah, if that works.
Yeah, if you're cool with that, that'll work for me. So right now I'm headed to pick up that turbo kit. The guy is now in town. He's waiting for me at Starbucks. But what I have on my phone is a little checklist. I went on ETS's website, and just because there's so many parts with this kit, I want to make sure he's including everything. So I'm just gonna go check everything over, make sure, like especially the turbos, make sure the turbo's in good shape, not a lot of shaft play, and then check over all the exhaust piping, like the turbo manifold, and make sure there's no cracks. Then run through this little checklist, because there's a lot of little stuff like wastegate, dump tubes, and there's all sorts of like small parts that come with the kit that I want to make sure are there, just so I don't get screwed in the end trying to save some money. The big ass intake. Is that 4-inch? She said
4-inch with the 3.5-inch MAF.
Does that look like it's gonna make my car go fast?
No, it looks huge.
It is pretty big.
What do you have under that?
Yeah, this car, motor-wise, or oh, yeah. It's all stock motor-wise, dude. It's pretty slow. I just got that wide body and all the wrap and all that done, so.
Oh, that's a wrap?
Yeah, I think
what's the original color?
It's dark gray.
Oh.
Yeah. Which I didn't mind, but I just wanted to do a little something else, you know. Do you approve? Or do you still not?
I don't know what I'm looking at.
She'll approve once she rides in it.
Yeah, exactly.
It was that dark gray, that Phantom Black.
Oh.
And I had that one painted like guards red. I got it like 4 years ago.
Yeah. Is that big enough?
It looks pretty big.
It's not like massive. It ain't no Bader size. There's 2 of them.
Nice.
Yeah, I think that's all I would need. I can't remember what the brand I have right now. The top intercooler plate.
Before like I knew anything about buying all this shit.
Yeah.
And some guy was from up here in Seattle.
It was like the frequency. I think it said I was going too frequently.
Babe, that's the problem.
Well, no, I went and then I tried to get there. There should be 1,000 there.
Okay, so then that's my email right there.
So here is all of the parts to the kit. We got a downpipe here, intake with this 3.5-inch MAF housing. That is a rear intercooler piping. We got a turbo right there, Precision 6266. I've said like 500 times. That is the exhaust manifold. And then in here, We got the FIC 1100 injectors, which don't come with the kit. I just bought those separately. Wastegate number 1, wastegate number 2, and then the wastegate dump tubes. This thing's gonna be loud as fuck. And yeah, everything's literally in perfect condition. Like how big this intake is too. It's 4-inch intake, 3.5-inch MAF. One of the main things to look for on turbo is the shaft play. I feel like I'm camming over here. So if you take this turbo and you take the wheel right here and it moves a lot back and forth or in and out, that means it needs to be rebuilt. But as you can see, that thing spins for like 3 hours straight. Not really, but it spins for a minute. And if you're gonna buy a used kit, make sure you're getting all the oil lines and whatnot, because you definitely need that oil line. Is that turbo big enough?
That's gonna go right up on top.
Dude, what's up, Rick?
Oh, fuck, my bad.
Hey.
Yeah, literally everything, dude. Look how big the intake is. Freaking 82 AR, you got a manifold.
All this stuff looks brand new too.
Yeah, seriously. New injectors.
Very little use.
Yeah, I'm pretty stoked on it.
Damn. Huh.
Should be a fun build. Huh?
How's this all bolted together?
Everything.
It's
so
so zoomed in though.
I know, it's 85 mil. You can't stall it on the camera. Back seat? Probably.
Fit in there.
Will it fit in the back?
Poor little Ava.
Poor little FRF.
Nice butt.
Too bad that turbo would blow the motor in like 2.2 seconds on that car.
On mine?
No, on the FRS.
Oh.
Wow, yeah, that's really cutter. As you guys can see, I am more than stoked to get this turbo kit in. Everyone has been bugging me ever since I got that motor done to do a big turbo on the car, and it's finally being done. I cannot be more excited. As you guys know, I always try to get super good deals on pretty much everything I do, whether it be sponsorship deals, finding used stuff, whatever it is. I always try to get a pretty good deal on everything I do. But with that being said, if you're buying used stuff, make sure you go check it over, make sure everything's good to go on the parts that you're buying, especially like turbos, turbo kits, injectors. Make sure everything is good, because the turbo can go out super easy. Luckily, this kit only has 3,000 miles on it, so everything is in super good condition. I'm a huge advocate for saving a lot of money when you can. Like I said, with this turbo kit, I pretty much got half off on it, so I am super excited with that. If you guys are as stoked as I am, go ahead, let me know in the comment section below. What should we comment today? Comment #boost, #boost. Go drop that comment down below. Let me know how excited you guys are to see this thing build some big power. Anyways guys, I'm gonna go ahead and wrap up this video right here. Hit the subscribe button right up in that corner up there to see this build go down, and I will see you in the next video.